This happens in every department.
In every department, in whole of Pakistan, I think in whole of universities.
Pressurized by the
he might be his brother. Okay, if he was pressurized, then he should resign that job.
Mohammad Amir has also given a statement with regards to Haris Rauf that there's still news coming that Haris Rauf is still not fully fit and maybe another fast bowler.
I think in this playing 11,
very rare in international.
Yeah, at least 2 plus 3 spinner could have been over here. Yeah,
neither batting, neither bowling.
Neither bowling, neither fielding. Despite couple of good catches, that's about fielding.
You're asking both of them to open. Babar is not a specialist opener also.
Pave their way for joining them. But the thing is how much transparent this mechanism is.
So there are lots of happening in sport, and Tahir bhai, just today, how are you, Tahir bhai?
May good Akib, but there is a slight sore throat, but overall fine. What about you?
I'm doing well, Tahir bhai, and we were discussing with statement about the great Rashid Latif bhai, rating Rashid Khan above Wasim Akram. Tahir bhai, what is happening in world cricket these days?
Akib, I will narrate this issue that for getting something, you have to lift some weight. Right, Akib? Lift some weight.
This happens in every department.
In every department, in whole of Pakistan, I think in whole of universities happening.
Yes.
So I think it's the issue of weight gain, so that's the reason. But I think Akib, the character of Rashid Bhai is very strong. I don't think that he has given this statement deliberately, but what implications happen about this statement are very adverse. So it's a prime time for Rashid Bhai to come on the media and give the clearance about this issue, that what was the reason, what were the thinking, that whether he was in senses or not, what went wrong. Yes. And what implications causes him to give this statement.
And he shouldn't be silent.
Yeah. Otherwise, if he is silent, it means there is something fishy inside, and
maybe he is pressurized by the board.
Maybe he is. Okay, if he was pressurized, then he should resign that job. There is a statement in Urdu: इस रिस्क से मौत, उस रिस्क से मौत अच्छी, जिससे आती है परवाज़ में कोताही. So I think Rashid Bhai is a man of work, man of action.
He's a person who wants to get better job also.
Yeah. So he's also having a very good set of Rashid Latif Cricket Academy in Karachi. So I think Rashid Latif Bhai should give clarification about his statement. That what was his pure intention. There might be the reason that it might be the case of yellow journalism.
And our media is also taking part in this thing.
So things will be clear unless Rashid Bhai won't clear this. Otherwise, people will troll this statement very loud.
But why PCB doesn't call Rashid Latif for services time? This is a question also. Why he's going to Afghanistan, why not Pakistan? Why Mohsin Akib never called him? Or even previous chairmen?
Akib, there is a long list that long list of our players that were not invited in the PCB for any role.
I think he spoke against match fixing. He's struggling for that.
Yeah,
he was very vocal about match fixing.
Yeah. So that was the reason he was having the clashes, especially with Wasim Akram and Waqar as well. Not only Waqar, but especially with Wasim. So I think these are the reasons which made the character of Rashid Latif to stay away from the roles in PCB, because he highlighted the issues.
And thirdly, we are talking about Pakistani cricket team. Mohammad Amir has also given a statement with regards to Haris Rauf that there's still news coming that Haris Rauf is still not fully fit, and it seems like Shaheen Afridi, we are rushing him and the team. And Amir said that PCB should not risk his career for just 3 matches. What do you say, Tahir?
I think that
like what happened with Shaheen, they are doing with Rauf.
It is a good opportunity that Haris Rauf have become injured. Now PCB can add another spinner. And I think this opportunity should be cashed, could have been cashed.
But we are hearing Fahim will play. Not
sure, Aki, but a thumb Fahim having had his background. That
Eric Rizwan was also not in his favor.
Yeah, you can see in the last match, he just offered him 2 overs. And later he sacked him from the bowling.
Means the decision is from up.
From some unseenable forces.
Maybe Mohsin Akib also is.
Maybe her hands have been covered, so that's it.
Tell me, what should we do with regards to Rauf injury as we're talking? Should we rush him or should we bring another spinner? Or maybe another fast bowler?
I think in this playing 11, I was missing the 1 spinner more, additional spinner.
We had Sufyan, left arm Chinaman, very rare in international.
Yeah, give at least 2 plus 3 spinner could have been over here. Yeah, there should be 3 spinners. You could play with the 2 spinners. But Akib we have selected only Abrar, and Abrar is also under pressure. No doubt he is a good player, good bowler. But the thing is, there should also be a sport mechanism, not only sport mechanism to support the other player. So that's the reason we missed the trick of absentia of one spinner.
And Tarbir, do you think Pakistan will be able to do well in this Champions Trophy, even though Mayor of UK is also rating Pakistani team very highly, and Michael Clark also is saying that Pakistan will play the semi-finals?
Okay, I will reiterate, having in mind the current state of Pakistani team, rating for Pakistani team to playing at least semi-final, it's also a big offer. I can't see that Pakistan could play a semi-final because they are badly struggling for success.
Neither batting, neither bowling.
Neither bowling, neither fielding. Despite couple of good catches, rest of our fielding.
Only Rizwan and Agha Salman.
Yeah,
Fakhar, you can say.
Yeah. So I think Mayor of England raised a very good question and predicted very well. But I think Pakistani team should pull their socks up. Otherwise, it will be very difficult for them to even to survive in the starting matches.
And that way, do you think Babar should be demotivated back to number 3? Because I was talking with someone, he said that you have 2 match winners and you're asking both of them to. One is Fakhar, one is Babar. You're asking both of them to open. Babar is not a specialist opener also.
Yeah. Okay, but Babar should not be put on the opening, to be honest. I think Babar should be stayed at the 1 down. Or maybe 2
South.
down.
South can open.
South is a.
We have Usman Khan also, Tarvi, you forgot his name.
Yeah, okay.
He left UAE for Pakistan.
Yeah, okay, Usman Khan is a bit better option.
But he is reckless a bit.
Yeah, but again, Usman is a bit better option than the so-called parachuter boy, Fahim Ashraf, I think. Usman could have been over there. So, Rizwan could play, could surrender the
Keeping to Usman?
keeping given to Usman. And Rizwan could play as a role of a fielder, staying at the cover drive or other option, or maybe at point.
That way, another parachuter is Khushdil Shah. He come in the team.
So these two.
Even though Akib Javed said he's bowling well, but he's not a proper spinner also. He's not a proper all-rounder.
Yeah, Akib, I think it's just snubbing of meritocracy. I think this thing will affect very badly to the Pakistani upcoming rising stars. But on the other hand, that PCB has also started finding a new talent and program in which everyone can walk in and pave their way for joining them. But the thing is how much transparent this mechanism is. Whether any telephonic call can affect this like this.
I think even Rizwan's hands are tied, Firebay. I think Akib Javed or someone else is making the decisions of selection. As he's not happy with Fahim Ashraf, it means he's not giving the full authority. Like Babar had.
Yeah, I partially agree with you, but I think might be the reason Rizwan could have been also be asked anything. But main thing is whether the authority has given him or two. I think at this point, Rizwan hasn't been given the full authority. That's why he's struggling.
And lastly, Tayyib, before we conclude this video, do you think Pakistan's campaign in batting is dependent on Fakhar Zaman? As we are also mentioned by the ICC, he is the player to watch out for.
Yeah, Akib, I totally agree.
That is signal of a boundary, Tayyib.
Yeah, Akib, I agree with you. That role of Fauji is very important.
He is the only player who can play modern day.
Yeah.
Modern day game.
Yeah, and he is the only player who is the only stand for our Pakistani team.
We saw in both the opening matches.
And saw the frustration during his batting that he is just batting to kill someone, right?
And Tayyib, I remember when Fakhar was batting, you were glued to the TV that maybe he can change the game.
Yeah.
Although we still managed to win that game, but that was once in a while.
Yeah, okay, I totally agree with you. So here comes the fun part, where the Fakhar should also be in play, not rational, because huge responsibility lies on his shoulders. If Fakhar could lose his wicket early, so it will be very difficult for Pakistani team to survive in the any games of the Champions Trophy.
Thank you so much for your time. Inshallah, tomorrow again we will try to have you with another video. So yeah, guys, that's it for this video. Like, share, subscribe to sports and more content like this. Till then, this is goodbye from me and Tayyib. Say to yourself and Allah Hafiz.